What's going on, guys? We're back for another backtesting session today. We're just going to go ahead and get right into it. This month of February has been pretty awful. If I just go back and look at the data real quick. This was probably my worst month so far, right? We started off the month with only 2 red days. And this February has just been pretty terrible, right? So I'm debating just skipping through the rest of February. I will look at the price action. I want to be very, very careful. But doesn't look too solid. Um, so I'm just going to kind of play it by ear here and just make sure that, I'm being careful. But let's just go ahead and start off. You can clearly see that the daily's trending lower. Our next low is probably this low that I'd like to take. This range is very, very overextended though. So I don't want to, say longs won't play out here, but I'd like to take shorts, right? So we'll see how we deliver off this 15. Alright, well, immediately delivering higher off this 15. Alright, we're shooting up. Manipulating higher, we create an SMT with the S. Alright, SMT fails. We took out this minor buy side up here. And now I just kind of want to see how we deliver off this 15-minute fair value gap. This does look nice. We got a sweep of liquidity. SMT. We get this solo 1-minute gap. Yeah, you could try this. I don't mind this at all. That's not what I wanted to do. Let's just take this for a 1-to-1. Let's see if this 3-minute closes. 3-minute closes bullish. Now I don't like this. I would have gone break even. This probably won't play out. Yeah. I should have gone break even before looking at the red 3-minute rejection. Should have just taken a break even there. Honestly, I'm just going to rip through the rest of February. I don't really want to trade the rest of this. Alright, what are we in? March 1st. We left that draw on liquidity. We're delivering out of a daily fair value gap. Looks like we're delivering higher. We are inside of a daily right now. So I just kind of want to see how price plays off this. We got to fill the new week opening gap. Price looks bullish. We are inside of an hourly though. Yeah, I just kind of want to see how we play this off open. Alright, we're delivering out of this 15-minute. I still would just like to take shorts here. 2-minute close. We do have a 5-minute. All right, we deliver into the 5. No 30-second. Inside of a 2-minute. Realistically, I'd like to see price sweep out these lows. If we were going to push higher, we are delivering out of a 15-minute right now. Alright, we deliver from this 2-minute. Back inside of this 5-minute. I need to see this 5-minute close bearish. Alright, still delivering out of this 5. I do kind of like this. Need to see the 2-minute close. 2-minute does close. Stops below this order block. And let's just target this high. Take a break even here. Bang. Nice. So the 2-minute played out there. We're still inside of a 15-minute. I just wanted to see this 15-minute high get swept. Delivering out of the 5-minute still. Bullish was the bias for the day. You get the 2-minute close and bang. Alright, we're inside this daily still. Previous day high up here. We're inside of a 4-hour fair value gap. So I just kind of want to play these two draws and liquidity as my conditions here. But clearly we look like we're trending lower on the hourly time frame, disrespecting these bullish gaps, respecting these bearish gaps. So shorts kind of does look a little bit better here. I like that we just swept out that high. Still inside of a 15-minute. Delivering out of the 15. We are SMT'd here. I do like this setup. Still have a 930 high up here. Wow, and full TP gets hit. Another example of when I just need to put my stops to the swing low. I mean, I've noticed at this point, this is kind of just becoming a problem. Stops need to just be at the swing low. I can't keep testing this. So, that's unfortunate right there. Just need to understand that I need to utilize the swing low much more. So, price does look like we're turning bullish now. Bullish. Bullish. I'd like to look for longs. We are inside these hourly though. Maybe we see price come get a reaction into this hourly and delivers higher. Alright, still delivering lower. Nothing I really like here. I don't want to see price come tap into this 15-minute below. Alright, we're inside of the 15. Maybe if I see this 5-minute close. Alright, nope, we're still rejecting off the 5-minute. And the 1-minute close. This looks very nice. This little continuation model here. I don't know if we'll end up hitting full TP here. Take a break even. Nice. And we did want to continue lower into this hourly gap below as well, so nice base hit there. Price rejecting off this daily. This low inside this 4-hour fair value gap looks great. Maybe we come up and get a resweep of this. Internal high, tap into this fair value gap up here. There's a lot of places that we could go long here, but bias is bearish. I'd like to see shorts. This 1 minute probably won't do it for me. But this 5-minute perhaps will. Price gets the inverse of all of these gaps. Leaves my break-even point as well. I do see price running these lows down here. Most likely just take it break even right at this low. ES did already sweep that out though, so we'll just have to see. Alright, I like this. Take a break even here. Looks like we're gonna get stopped at a break even. Yep. Price could come reject off this area right here. Right, we're inside of a 5-minute still. Could reject out of this. It looks like we're gonna open up another 5-minute. Yeah, I mean, I will continue to try this short. Not really inside anything. I guess we are delivering out of a 5-minute in that context there, but take a break even here. Would like to see price flush. Alright, stopped out of break even again. Delivery from a 5 minute. I mean, we could just continue to keep trying these shorts. Like, price wants to keep giving it to us. It's another continuation model here. Take a break even here. I would like to see us hold down to these lows. Scale off some of this internal low if we don't get stopped out of break even here. Nice edge to the tick. Like to see it. Boom, right here. I'll scale off. And then continue to just hold down here. Looks like we're going to come up. Don't want to take out all these lows yet. I will scale off partials. Nice. Alright, third time was the charm there. In live markets, I would have probably gotten break evens and ended my day there. But price kept giving it to us, so I was going to capitalize. And our draw on liquidity was still there, so. Alright, we did sweep out that low. ES is still failing to come sweep out these lows, so down below, delivering out of the daily fair value gap still. 4 hours getting a minor rally here. I still would like to take shorts, most likely, but it looks like we're trending bullish on these higher time frames here, so we do have LR built up as well, so all this LR, all these highs look good. So let's just see what price gives us off open. God, my chair. Alright, what do? We get a hard time from key level getting hit here. I guess we are delivering off this minor 15 minute. We did sweep out this high inside this 5 minute, which we're delivering off of. The bias here would be bullish. And we're SMT'd. Price did sweep out all these highs. I like this move though. At least targeting right here. Do have a lot of LR, so kind of just want to see what price gives us here. Nice. Continuing lower. We are inside of a minor 5 minute. I'd probably just like to take this break even pretty quick here. Please just let me get to my break even again. It's really not going to let me get to my break even point here. Come on. Hold on, I gotta go back. Bro, take me break even. This is actually insane. I just want it to be at $0. I don't want to make money and have this be considered a winning trade. Alright, stopped at break even there. Not really delivering from any higher time frame. I guess we are delivering from the 15-minute on ES. And delivering from the lower time frame or SMT'd, so it's a good break even point. Now our trade might play out. It will. Delivering off the 15-minute. SMT at these lows. Price does look like it wants to trend higher. We just traded into an EQ of this 15-minute range. 1 minute is the highest time frame. I do like this. Take profit here, probably around this 15-minute. Hold this for a base hit. Alright, that failed. But we're still using this 15-minute. Yeah, I still see this long playing out, to be honest. But ES already took us to our key level. Something with about this price action's really got me just like trading terribly right now. My edge is not playing out. We're looking like we want to come hunt these lows. Alright, we deliver into a 15-minute. Pretty textbook here. Yeah, pretty textbook short here. I want to keep my stops at somewhere around the CE of this area. Probably like right here. And then again, I do have these lows down here available. I definitely do want to take it break even right around here. Well, took a break even and it worked. So we swept out a low inside a 15-minute. No inversions to the upside. 15-minute still closes. Still think there's room to move to the downside here. We are SMT'd. I'd want to see this 3-minute close. Perfect. Another textbook setup. This is going to be a protected low. So it's very high resistance. Price may struggle to get to it. But I do like this playing out. Take it break even at this low right here. And if we do fill this 15-minute, I think there's a lot more room for us to go lower. So 15-minute doesn't close, but I mean there's room for us to go lower, but let me just take my base hit. Bank. I do think we'll continue flushing. Actually, perfect. Nice. What do we reject off of? Did this 15-minute close? Oh, we swept out this low inside this 15-minute. Rejected off that area. So, not a bad trade. Took a break even, then took a win. Still leaving these lows behind. Probably going to trend up into this daily up here. Longs to this area would be nice. No higher time frame delivery here though. Yeah, I don't want to see us go much lower here before chasing to the upside if we were going to. Realistically, I'd like to see us come take out this low inside this hourly. So about this low inside this 15-minute. This 4-minute close though does look very, very nice. I guess you could treat this 15-minute like a rejection block, but really it's not. I could see this failing, so I'm gonna fade this. It played out, but I'm not mad there. SMT'd here. Delivery off the 5. I'll take this long. Technically, I go break even here, but I really have some discretion on this trade. I feel like we're gonna push up higher. Perfect. Go break even at this point. We got caught in the chop. That's fine. Starting from this daily volume imbalance. 4 hour looks lower. It looks like we just want to come rebalance the range. We're about to hit EQ. Delivering from this 15-minute rejection block. Respecting this 5-minute. Really do like this 1 minute off open. With all this LR. Bang. Break even here. That's incredibly unfortunate right there. Now this long. Man, that is very unfortunate. We didn't even sweep out this low. Like, I don't love anything to the upside here. Like, now the low gets taken out. Delivering to a 5. Delivery out of the 5-minute. Just don't see us pushing much lower here. Where's my stop protected here? Alright, let's try this. Do like this short here. Got the delivery from the 5-minute. Still look like we want to push lower. Probably should have taken a break even there. These 2 months have just been absolutely pitiful. Still delivering from this 15-minute rejection block. Delivering out of this BPR. Highest time frame in the range. This is 3-minute. Wow. This is really, really bad. What is going on with these months? My edge is literally not present at all. My edge is not present at all like it was in January. Well, this is just how it goes, so. But man, my edge is nowhere to be found. Probably just need to be taking less trades. But like, man, this is just like crippling. This inverse was pretty good. Slipped out of high and set the 5-minute. I likely see this draw being our main target here. I think that we at least come to this low. Take a break even here. Scale. Bang, full TP. Nice, little 1 to 4 RR. Just get ourselves back in the game here. That was great price action. I really liked that. And I'm executing mechanically, so it's really just my edge just is not playing out right now. So it's just that's what we're doing though. We're collecting data, so we're trying to see what time of the year and what market conditions our edge is not present, and this is a pretty prime example of that. So I'd like to see a resweep this high. We did just sweep liquidity. We get an inversion to the upside. This could play out. Nope. I'd like to see us at least come up to this high. it looks like price wanted to push lower to take us inside this 15-minute. So I don't mind this at all. Man, FX replay, so buggy. Alright, we got that. At this point here, we swept out this high inside this 5-minute. We could reject off this area, but I really want to see us come up to this high inside this 15. Perfect. Executed great. I didn't like this first one, just because we were just, I mean, we had a liquidity sweep right, but we didn't have any higher time frame delivery. The second move down, though, forced us to tap into that 15-minute below and give us the momentum we needed to come up and sweep out this 15-minute internal high, so I liked that. Alright, at this point, I just feel like we want to come take out this draw on liquidity. Inside of the 4 hour. We are ranging higher. Do have an hourly unfilled. Alright, sweep that high, tap into that hourly. Left open a 4-minute though. I would have taken that long, but 4-minute gets to close. Not on ES though. Did we sweep out this low? We did not sweep out this low. There's not really a point for us to come back up into. Yeah, I was gonna say, probably take that. It looks like we're trending lower here. We do have these lows, and then we do have these lows as well. Also lines up with an hourly unfilled. Delivering off that 15-minute. Still think our draw is lower here. May just want to come up and sweep out this high. Yeah, we'll take this if we get an inversion of all these gaps. Bang. We have a 5-minute unfilled right here. Probably just put my stops right about 25 points. I could go above this swing high here. Let's go about 25 points. Let's just target a 1-to-1 here. Go break even at that unfilled 5. Alright, would have been break even here. Can I get my order filled at break even? FX replay, please. Bro, what is going on? Man, FX replay drives me crazy. Alright, we delivered into the 5. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Looks like we want to come up into this daily. I'm not too sure though. We are inside this 4 hour. The range is very overextended. Delivering out of a 15. Just see what price gives us here. Manipulates higher. Sleeps out this high. Yeah, that was a good trade. I'd just like to see a 5-minute retracement now. Doesn't look like we're gonna get one though. Nah, still nothing. Still nothing. Yes is much lower. Alright, now we get a 5-minute pullback and a 15-minute pullback. Looking for this area to get filled. What do we have as our draws? We are delivering off of 1 hour. This unfilled 15-minute looks good. See if we get something to there. Still don't mind this. Just trending a little bit lower inside that 5. 1 minute. Like to see this 2-minute close. Bang, get the 2-minute close. Yeah, I will take longs here. Up to that 15-minute unfilled. We are just very high in premium, which doesn't make this trade like A plus, but Still worth taking. Nice. Just a textbook continuation setup. Alright, daily got inversed. Could be expecting a pretty big pullback here into the discounted range. So I don't necessarily want to take shorts here, but if shorts presents itself, I definitely will. Down to EQ the range. I don't really want to take this. Still no higher time frame delivery here. I don't really want to take any of these. I really would like to see, or nice, this is actually exactly what I want to see, this high get ran through, and then see if we can catch a inversion to the downside here off this. Nothing on the 1 minute, nothing on the 30-second. Alright, this 5 minute gets inversed. Gosh, there's not too much I really like today. We left equal highs. Yeah, there's not too much I like, to be honest. I won't take this. This 5 minute got the 5 minute didn't get close through. Still delivering off the 5 minute. And technically this is a rejection block. I don't love this setup, especially with the equal highs that we left behind, so I'm gonna fade this. Perfect. I know we're gonna come back up to these equal highs, so I will take something like this. I think the equal highs are just such a strong draw on liquidity here. I really have conviction in these equal highs, so I probably won't take a break even just yet. At this point though, yeah, I still do have very high conviction in this. We're delivering from this area. Bang, take a break even here. Full, nice. So the draw on liquidity was just so strong there, I didn't really need a higher time frame delivery to take us higher. I just knew that we wanted to come back up to these equal highs that we left behind, right? So, and I got the inversion to take us there. So, worked out perfectly. Now we're SMT'd. Let's see. Nah, price wants to continue to rally. The edge is coming back. The edge is coming back. Just had to stay patient here. Still are in a very high premium here. But we do look bullish, so I like to take longs. Yes, did sweep out these highs. We are SMT'd. See what price gives us off open here. Alright, we're coming back. Took out these highs. See if we want to deliver off of this 15-minute unfilled. Nothing I love here, to be honest. This is kind of whack. Alright, now we're inside this 15-minute. I do want to take longs. I could look for a retracement here. We are SMT'd at these highs. Might have just had the draw on liquidity wrong for today. I want to see us pull back into this 5. Nah, we're not going to get anything. Delivery into a 5-minute. Highest time frame in the leg is this 1 minute. Take a break even right here. Looks like we're just trending towards these highs. $15-minute unfilled up here. Do like this. God, stop limiting me, please. Bro, I swear, I cannot. Why am I doing this? Alright, there we go. This might fail. We're incredibly high in premium, which is why I could understand this failing. Probably would have gone. I should have gone break even there. I messed up. Mark my words. That was break even. Yeah, just stuck in the. Got caught in the chop. We're just way too high in premium here. Yeah, just too high in premium for that to work. Daily trending higher. We inverse the daily gap. Incredibly overextended, but I do think the draw is higher. So we just kind of want to play this by ear here. We are very overextended, but I do think price goes higher here. I would like to go higher. It's Pro just ripping off open. Swept out all these draws. Tapped into the hourly unfills. You get the 5-minute inverse of all these gaps. I mean, you could take something like this, just targeting this low. I just don't really want to. Yeah, it would have played out. Highest time frame here is the 2-minute. I actually do like this long. I'm just gonna stop below this OB. Take a break even. This 15-minute. Alright, probably forced to take a break even here. Yeah, see, that's criminal. That's very brutal, to be honest. That's very, very brutal, to see that happen. But, you know, part of the game. Daily is just stuck. I mean, 4 hours just stuck in this range. This looks absolutely awful. Alright, break out of the range. We get a sweep liquidity. Pull back into a 5. Yeah, realistically, I just want to wait for more confirmation. I do like this long. It's just such a tiny fair value gap. Four-minute here. All these 1-minute closed. I'm scaling into profits here. Or actually, I could just scale out. Bro, why is it not letting me scale out? Bro, what? It's not letting me scale out. Doesn't matter. Full TP. Bang. Took that off the 4 minute. Could have waited for the 1 minute to close. Probably could have had a tighter stop too, but I'm not complaining. Did just sweep out this high on the daily time frame. Everything is just bullish though. 15 minutes bearish, but we're getting a retracement. 4 hours bullish. We're just inside this big gap. Well, we delivered out of that 5 and just proceeded to dump. Most likely want to come back up into this 4 hour. Not really. I just don't see anything I love here. This all is a ton of LR too. We do deliver. Could take that 1 minute or that 30-second close. But we did open up a 2 minute. Nice, like the 2 minute close. Drawn liquidity still pretty clear, just up to this unfilled 4 hour. Just our very high in premium here. And I don't like that wick. Yeah, I'm not a fan, to be honest, of this. Let's try this here. I want to see price respect this gap and take us higher. I swear, this is probably going to play out too off this rejection block. Boom. Yeah, I could have probably guessed that. I just needed to have my stops lower. Yeah, on that 5 minute rejection block. One to one wouldn't have played out though, so could have gotten break evens, but that's just an unfortunate Unfortunate loss there. Bad stop loss placement on that rejection block. 4 hour just looks like just absolutely terrible. Does look like we kind of want to go lower. This just looks so bad. I don't know what has happened to the price action here, but this has got to be data. Maybe not though. No, yeah, it's got to be. It's data low. I want to see price take me there. Maybe come take me up into this 5 minute. Nice. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. I do like this long. We are inside of this 3 minute, but I don't hate it at all. See if we can come get a sweep this high. Still playing inside this 3 minute. Probably go break even here. Would like to see this 3 minute close bullish. Okay, well, that sucks. 3 minute does not close. Now it looks like we're going to push lower. I mean, we do get a solid entry here. Looks very good. 4 hours still messing around. Solid break even point. We are SMT'd as well as the downside. And then we just get caught in more chop. This price action is awful. Maybe the trades I'm not taking are great, but this is literally what I've been trading over the past couple months, and I'm way more profitable. It's really starting to bug me here. What this is all looking like. Give me longs. Give me longs. Wait, whoa, whoa, whoa. Got ahead of myself there. Alright, delivering from this 15-minute. I'd like to see this low get swept, but no, you don't get the close. There you go, you get the close. Just so much LR. Stops this OP. Bro, the chop. It genuinely feels like I've lost every single edge that I've ever had. Like the market is just moving in such a weird way. I don't even know how to describe it. Like it's just so weird right now. These moves are so volatile. Like this is just tough, bro. Well, now we know. January. What? How have I gone through this much data? I guess I was already almost. Like March hasn't been bad. We're still up percentage wise, but like maybe I'm just beating myself up too much. 'Cause I am taking a lot of wins. My win rate just is not what I thought it was as of right now. I mean, yeah, we just gotta get it up. Obviously, long C looks like the play. Alright, nice. And my draw liquidity just gets taken out literally immediately. Like, this is what these markets are. 100-point 15-minute candles. Like, come on, man. Give me a chance. Give me a chance. I still think we push higher. Just kind of looking for any sort of retrace now. ES is lagging very, very far behind. Bro, oh my god, I'm on. Okay, well, ES is still lagging way behind. Alright, get a 5-minute pullback. Do have a 1-minute IFVG right here, or 1-minute. Yeah, we do have 1-minute IFVG, so it's not bad. Let's stretch this here. ES needs some bullish movement to help catch up, so I feel pretty confident. FX replay, you're really upsetting me, bro. like this. There's nothing to really get in our way here of coming up all the way to these highs. I mean, I don't think that's like a today move, but we'll see. Alright, well, forget everything I said. Wait, whoa, I didn't set my break even. And again, a 1-to-1 would have played out. I'm just an idiot. Just an idiot, bro. Not loving anything. Alright, I mean, buys as longs. Again, just give me an entry, please. I can see a pullback into that 15. No pullback. Such weird price action. Like, make up your mind. Three-minute here. Bro, alright, I need to. Bro, what? I'm literally trading like the worst trader of all time. These months are brutal. Yeah, I'm gonna get off. These are just brutal. I'm trading so bad in these months right now. I don't know what is going on. My win rate has just gone through the floor, bro. What is going on? This is not insane at all. I mean, what is going on? Let me just make sure let me make sure I'm not just losing it and that these months are actually bad. I'm jumping into like let's go later into it. Bro, I mean COVID wasn't even going on at this time. Not yet. It was spring break. Let's go into like July 8th of 2020. Let me just make sure that I'm not losing my mind here. What is this? Daily clearly trending higher. I don't know where's my data, bro? Daily's clearly trending higher. We're at all-time highs. Give me a long opportunity. Delivering out of this 15. Are very overextended, but this works. I mean, I don't know if I'm not convicted in price wanting to go that much higher here, but at least this 5-minute unfilled. All right, take a break even. Bang, continuing higher. This 5-minute gonna get inversed. We're inside this other 5-minute. Scale out here. Bang, 1-to-1. The edge works, like it plays out. 1 to 1.5 right there. Bang. All right, I mean, these months are just not good right now, so that's fine. I just need to, reevaluate, come back, and continue staying patient with it. So, but as of right now, this is not looking great. I mean, I'm up on the month, but like these have been brutal. These have really, really been brutal. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and end it there. I'll see you guys later.